Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be kicking off the 12 Days of Christmas nail art with the Shimmering Snowdrifts water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. And you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the water marble today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Sparkling Water, Swan Song, and Milky White Shimmer, which I'll also be using as my base color. Once my base color is applied, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw from one side to the other. Then I'm going to draw in some chevrons and cross over that design with more chevrons. Once you have the design complete, you can go ahead and choose where you want to dip in your nails. Then you're just gonna line up and dip in. Clean any of the excess polish off the surface with your orange stick. Then slowly pull out, remove the protection, and marble the rest of your nails. Once the marbling is done, I'm going to clean up with some acetone and a Q-tip any larger areas as well as underneath the nail. Then I'll be moving closer in with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, we're going to finish everything off with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. This is the 10th year of the 12 Days of Christmas nail art, and I have to confess, before I realized that, I was thinking of taking the easy way out this year, but when I realized it was in fact a milestone, I decided it was finally time for the Winter Water Marble Wonderland. Every design this year is going to be a water marble. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time to appreciate the shimmer, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel, or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.